How to transfer TikTok data to Rednote. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can transfer TikTok data to Rednote. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Then you want to head over to this exact website over here, which is filebackup.ptravel.cn/backup. So go ahead and type that in the URL box. After that, you'll be brought to this page over here. Here it says transfer your TikTok post. So step 1 is to download your TikTok post. For this, you want to tap on the Open TikTok app option. If you are not able to use the app because of some error, you simply want to tap on the Learn More option in the pop-up, log into your account and download your data to your phone. If your TikTok app is working, launch it open. Then tap on the profile icon. Now tap on these three lines. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Account. Then tap on Download Your Data. Now you want to select all data over here and tap on Request Data. Once the downloading has been completed, a zip file will be downloaded to your device. What you want to do is head over to the website again. Now, in the second box over here, you want to import the zip file. So go ahead and tap on the import option. Once you have imported the zip file, tap on the transfer now option. Then you want to enter your Rednote app credentials over here. After that is done, your TikTok data will be transferred to Rednote, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.